welcome to Sew Easy Sewing's Tuesday tutorial. Today we're talking about quilting rulers and how to use them. I'm working on the brand new Baby Lock Solaris 2. This is an excellent machine for this. In order to use quilting rulers, you do need to have the special ruler foot, which they do have available for the domestic machines. And then the ruler that I chose today is actually from Creative Grids. It's the SID ruler. You can do a lot of things with it. They have different designs on there, but it's pretty awesome. Then once you've got that, you need to drop your feed dogs. I'm using a blue thread today so you can see it, but I would suggest trying to match your quilt. You've got your quilt sandwich, your top, your batting, and your back already together. And one great thing about these rulers is they have lines on them. So I drew a line so I can line it up and try and keep a steady design. So they have a really great feature by doing that. So I also like to use gloves because they help with gripping. These have a little bit of a tip on them, so I can hold the fabric and yeah, it just works a little better for me. There are different kinds available. I just happen to like these. I'm going to line up the very first marks on the ruler. Drop the feed dogs. Again, you're at 0 on your stitch width, or whatever your machine suggestion is for quilting rulers. And then you just kind of need to practice. I wouldn't do my first test on a beloved quilt top that you've been saving. This is a scrap piece just to see and get used to it, because even if I haven't done it for a while, I have to practice. Everything about quilting, especially in the free motion quilting, is about muscle memory. So you have to practice in order to get really good. So don't get discouraged. But here we go. Here's how we're going to just make the little swoops with the ruler. When you get to the end, you just slide down. And the great thing about the ruler is it kind of has a little stop in there, a natural stopping position for you, and then start again. It's not a fast way of doing it, but it's pretty accurate. If I'm getting better, more consistent curves than if I did it on my own. And now here's the neat thing about these rulers. Say I want to mimic this line. I just pick a different set of lines to line it up. there you go. There you can see you can make parallels, or you could go odd and you could stagger them. There's lots of things that you can do with this ruler, and all the rulers have multi-uses. You don't have to use just one thing. So give it a try.